How to turn off calls on Zangi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can mute and turn off calls. First of all, open your application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the settings icon. Tap on the settings icon. Here, scroll down until you find the option called notifications. Tap on notifications. Here, you can see the section called call sounds. So scroll down. So this is the place where you must disable it. Here you can see the option called in-app sounds and in-app vibrate. So you must turn both of them off. So what it does is it won't give you any calls or there won't be any vibration while someone will call you. Now if you go back and restart the app, there will be no call notification. Even if someone is calling, your mobile will not ring and will not be able to call or receive it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.